Automation has proven a viable solution to cope with the lack of available workers. In the second quarter, overall robot sales increased 25% over the second quarter of 2021. The first quarter of 2022 was also a record. Worker compensation costs are up more than 5% in the quarter, the highest increase in more than 20 years. Machine shop leaders realize they're not just competing with other machine shops for the talent pool, they're also competing with higher paying industries. With labor in such short supply, workers are taking higher paying jobs in other industries. Machine shop leaders also realize that they can solve a labor problem and tilt the competitive advantage in their favor by adding a machine tending robot. Reuters noted that for every unemployed worker, there are nearly 2 unfilled jobs. That trend is slated to grow substantially over the next 7 years to more than 2.1 million unfilled manufacturing jobs. To learn more about how a purpose-built machine-tending robot can help solve your labor shortage and give your machine shop a competitive advantage, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.